In this project, we are going to discuss about the working of a simple home automation system using two LED bulbs. We are doing this project with the help of Skyfi Lab. All the video materials and kits are provided by the Skyfi Lab. For any further query, please visit the Skyfi Lab website. The link of the website is given in the description below. For making this project, the components needed are one Skyfi development board which was provided by the Skyfi Lab, one AC05 Bluetooth module, one relay driver, two 9-volt batteries which are connected in parallel, two bulb holders attached with two LED bulbs, and we also need an application to control the Bluetooth module. The name of the application is Arduino Bluetooth Control Device. Now let's see the working of this home automation system using this application. Now if we press A, then the left bulb will glow. As you can see, the left bulb is glowing when we press A. And now if we press B, then right bulb will glow. So as you can see, both of these bulbs are glowing right now. If we turn off these two bulbs, then both of them will turn off. So we can simultaneously on and off these two bulbs as our requirement. As you can see, both of these bulbs are controlled by this application. Okay, thank you.